Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Play Store waiting for download. So few things might resume your download and today we will fix it. Open your Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings. And under the Network Preferences, tap App Download Preferences on the first menu. Here, switch it over to any network. So this way, your application will be downloaded no matter if you are connected to a internet or maybe your mobile data. Press Done. So second way, let's go back to our library. Again, tap your profile and let's go to Manage Apps and Device. Switch to Manage and tap this Install icon to Not Install. Here you will see a list of all the applications that are not installed in your device, so we don't need it anymore. We will delete this. So after removing all our unnecessary application, we will move to the last step. Open your Settings application. Here let's go to Apps. Search for Google Play Services and Google Play Store. So we will go to Google Play Services and under the storage, clear the cache. Let's do the same with Google Play Store. Storage and clear cache. And now this should resume your downloading. So at the end, thank you for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe.